In this video, we are going to tell you guys one of the best tool we use to protect our sensitive facial skin against the dirt, germs and pollutant which get stuck to our skin. And that protection is done by a great quality face wash. And to help you choose that high quality and affordable face wash, we guys are here to help you decide that which face wash will work the best for you. And stay tuned till the end of the video for the bonus point. But before proceeding further into the main segment of the video, I would love to see you guys click that like button, and if you want, you can turn that red subscribe button into a beautiful grey color. It will only take a second. Thank you. So guys, without any further ado, let's move into the video. Before telling you the best and affordable face washes, I want that you guys should know the real reason behind using a face wash. After researching and observing myself on this, I got to know 3 big reasons why one should use a face wash. It cleans. Face washes helps to remove the dirt, oil and urban pollutants that water alone can leave behind. It exfoliates. Face wash doesn't just rid your complexion on all the itchy stuff. It also sweeps away dry skin and other debris. It stimulates the circulation. The process of massaging face wash granules onto your face helps to boost the flow of blood. I hope you are not thinking, why do we need to do all that? Or do we actually need a face wash? The answer to that question is yes, we need to use a face wash. Maybe you wouldn't need to use a face wash now, but for sure you will have to use in later part of your life, because at some point in your life you will have to start taking care of that sensitive skin on your face. And we all know precaution is better than cure. And I am saying this because if once in your life you get that pimple or blackhead or dry or flaky skin, it will leave a permanent mark on your skin. Nobody wants that. So in order to select the right face wash, you need to know what is your skin type. So starting by the first, which is oily skin. A shiny or greasy appearance, very large or obvious pores on the skin, skin that looks thick or rough, occasional or persistent pimples, clogged pores and blackheads. You can feel oil on the skin after you come from a hot environment. So after oily skin comes dry skin. A feeling of skin tightness, especially after showering, bathing or swimming. Skin that feels and looks rough. Slight to severe flaking, scaling or peeling. Fine lines or cracks. Grey ashy skin. Deep crack that may bleed. And then comes the mild or combinational skin. No or few imperfections, no severe sensitivity, barely visible pores, a radiant complexion, sometimes white and blackheads on T-region, rarely, sometimes shiny or dry. So by now we have discussed too much of problems I see. Let's get to the point where I will tell you guys the top 3 face washes you can choose for your skin. And we have decided them for 3 different skin types. And the good news is that we all can afford those mid-range useful products. Now talking about the face washes for each skin type, starting with oily skin. For oily skin, we chose Mamaearth Oil Control Men Face Wash. If you want to remove oiliness from your skin which makes you look very unfresh and dull, then this one will work the best for you, for removing that oiliness and providing that freshness and glow to your beautiful skin. It does its work because of the essential present in it, like charcoal and soft clay particles, which draws out toxin like dirt, impurities, pollutants and extra oil, making your skin look fresh and healthy. And it is free from parabens, sulfate, petroleum, synthetic perfume and color, which makes it very suitable for your skin. So now coming back to Mamaearth face wash, it is available on Amazon at a price ranging from Rs 226 to Rs 246. You can check the current price of the product from the link in the description below. For dry skin, we chose Wow Upton face wash. You must have heard its brand name here and there because they market their product very well. We included this face wash in the list because of the natural ingredients like Upton recipe with chickpea flour, almond powder, saffron, turmeric, rose water and sandalwood oil, known for the cleansing and skin restoring properties, which also helps to wash away dirt. And it is available on Amazon at a price ranging from Rs 339 to 369. You can check the current price from the link provided in the description below. The only problem I see with the face wash is its price, which is kinda bit more for someone like us. But I believe good quality deserves good price. But if you still think it's not good for you, I have another one lined up in the list. And here comes the best in our list. The one we use, also the one which is the best for its price. Spruce face wash. I'm kind of biased towards this face wash because of two reasons. Number one, the product is not a bit overpriced. Number two, it does its work better than it says it does. Or let me put it this way. You will notice the results of this face wash at the very first wash, and then you will realize you have invested your money on yourself. It does its work very properly because of the organic ingredients present in it, like honey, which protects your skin from pimples, activated charcoal, which removes dirt, dead skin and provides deep cleansing. It's also enriched with mandarin and frankincense, which prevent your skin from acne and blackheads. Too much of information, na? Let's get to the point. The Spruce face wash is available on Amazon at a price ranging from Rs 239 to 259. You can check the current price of the product from the link in the description below. The reason why we guys chose these three face washes is because the first thing is that all these face washes are priced fairly, and once you purchase them, they last 1 month or sometimes even more. The second thing is each one of the face wash has the ability to cure the problem and maintain the health you need for your skin. Now you can do two things if you want to maintain a healthy skin. You can either memorize the face wash's name and go on any e-commerce site and search it and then place an order. Or you can do the easy thing, check the description of the video, choose the link of the product you want to buy as per your skin type, and boom, place your order. And by doing that, you're also supporting our hard work, and that means the world to us. Thank you. Go follow us on Instagram for any further updates on the upcoming videos. Also, let us know in the comment box below which product you like the most, and should we guys make a video on other grooming essentials. And guys, if you have watched this video till the end, please drop a like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share this video to at least one guy.